Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to learn digital marketing from Google. First, understand that Google offers a wealth of free resources designed to help you master essential digital skills. These platforms provide comprehensive training, from foundational concepts to advanced strategies, ensuring you gain practical knowledge. You can learn at your own pace, making it accessible for everyone, regardless of their prior experience or schedule. This is an easy and effective way to build your expertise. The Google Digital Garage is an excellent starting point, offering hundreds of free courses. Its flagship program, Fundamentals of Digital Marketing, includes 40 modules and awards a globally recognized certification upon completion. This course covers everything from search engine optimization to social media marketing, providing a solid foundation. It's designed to be user-friendly, with video tutorials and practical exercises to reinforce your learning. Next, explore Google Skillshop for more specialized training. Skillshop focuses on Google's professional tools, such as Google Ads, Google Analytics, and the Google Marketing Platform. Here, you can earn certifications that validate your proficiency in running effective advertising campaigns and analyzing website data. These credentials are highly valued in the industry, showcasing your ability to leverage Google's powerful marketing solutions. After completing your courses and earning certifications, the most crucial step is to apply your knowledge. Start a personal project, volunteer for a small business, or create a dummy campaign to gain practical experience. Digital marketing is constantly evolving, so commit to continuous learning. Regularly revisit Google's resources and industry blogs to stay informed about new features and best practices, ensuring your skills remain sharp and relevant.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.